Connecting to Teraterm whilst you're on the ATS22. Once you've connected your devices into the ATS22, as I've shown you on previous videos, you then need to log into Teraterm to be able to configure it. So you put your jumper into the J1 port and you put your comms lead into the comms port. Open up your laptop or toughpad or whichever, and taking the other end of the USB lead, which is the computer end, normal standard USB. When you connect into the port, you should get the noise it's connected. That means there's something at the other end. Open up Teraterm, which is this logo here. Click serial and then select the USB you've just connected, which in my case it's number 7, might be different on yours. Okay, now I have to maximize the screen so we can see it. Bring up my keyboard. So when you log in, the first page you'll see is these 3 options: system, sensors, modem. Select one for system, and you've got quick report, quick view, full report, task view, back button. You're only really interested in number 1. Excuse me. Here it tells you the station name, which is IMETOS 3.3, which is ATS22, and the station number, more importantly, which is 00211C79. So going back to the video with the labels, you can't always trust the labels, and the number written on the actual circuit board from the manufacturer, to get the definitive serial number, it's best to log in here because this is what it's been programmed as. It tells you the date it was programmed, the device name, the hardware version, and more importantly, it will tell you the firmware version that it's currently on. So sometimes if we encounter difficulties, it might mean we need to go back to the manufacturer and look for a latest firmware version. When you first log in, the bearer type will probably say unknown. Mine now says LTE, which is what you want, but I had to set this up earlier to be able to do this. So it will say unknown first, and then once you've set everything up, it will then eventually go to LTE, or it might go to GPRS. The GPS status is enabled, which again may be disabled until you power everything up. So this is just the screen you're after, just to make sure you're collating the data and you're making sure that the serial number matches what you've got on the boards.